Quarterfinal match between Sinfield versus LCPA. Tawagin po natin ang first fight para sa team ng LCPA. Number 1, Pamplona. Number 2, Herrera. Number 8, Valero. Number 18, Camaras. And number 23, Geden. Para sa team ng Sinfield. Number 15, Kasyan. Number 18, Liu. Number 29, Orquesta. Number 8, Alvire. And number 7, Galipo. Pasok po first fight. Good luck po both teams. Commander ng po ulit. Bawal po tayo mag-vape at manigarilyo sa loob po ng vicinity ng SDI. Pasuyurin po yung mga kalat natin mamaya. Maraming salamat po. All players po, takit tayo ng ayos. All accessories din po, pakitanggal po muna. Maraming salamat po. First possession para sa team ng LCPA. Di Barajonas. Valeros. Tamang kaki. Dodol. Limon para sa pamas. Valeros. 10 seconds to shoot. Di para Galipo. Choco. Stop and down. First grip of the ball game against Saka ni Galipo. Camaras. To Pamplona. Struggling by the division. Turnover brought as a team ng LCPA. Galipo. Galipo again. Good. Rebound para kay Pamplona. Valeros. 14 seconds to shoot. Good. Rebound para kay Galipo out the pass. Alvire. Seconds to shoot. Valeros. Pass to Herrera. 10 seconds to shoot. Save ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Valeros. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Para sa team ng LCPA. 3 seconds. Herrera. Herrera. Official score 5-2. Alvire. Is ball left? Over number 1, Pamplona. First personal foul, first team foul for the team ng LCPA. 2 shots para kay number 8, Alvire. Two out of 2 para kay Alvire. Hill. 14 seconds to shoot. Cadet. Double, limang para kay Jonas. Herrera. Double, pass and you. Double, laping ang bola. Nakuha ni Cabanas. Cabanas, Pamplona. Pamplona. Sunday. 7 minutes remaining. Tapos ang bola ng Sunday. Wow. Smaller, foul by number 23, Cadet. First personal foul, second team foul. Para sa team ng LCBA. 14 seconds to shoot. Calimo. Double, rebound para kay Jonas. Herrera. Line foul para kay number 29, Larguesa. First personal foul, first team foul para sa team ng St. Hill. 14 seconds to shoot. Stolen by Katyang. Cabanas. Pass to Cadet. Cadet. Double. Rebound para kay Dugo. Larguesa. Pushando double. Calimo. Save ball. 12 seconds to shoot para sa team ng St. Hill. Time to shoot. Again, another move. Time to shoot. Calimo. Double. Rebound para kay Jonas. Third rebound of the morning. Herrera. Herrera. Official score 8-7. Na mula po ang team ng LCBA. 14 to shoot. Herrera. Injury time out goal. Mari pajak si Sir, pajak nanti aku langsung ya.
Whisper with hostility, house of motion, car deep in soliloquy. What is he giving me? I trade two stacks of wax for infinity. That's the sonic little puzzle. Some cats fall off just to save you from the struggle. Guard your home and you drift in and drift out. Stay in the zone, turn water into style. On my neck, ever since the sea till I'm gone with my shame, but that's what the story read. About my government, getting in the creed, either hate or gray. Hey, who's to be? My shadow when that's what the story. About my government, looking at the creed, either hidden or green. Hey, who's to be? I drafted this 180 block sector. If you got what we want to file and check the vector. Cell block memory, bunker by the van. I'm into not to offend.
Substitution po muna.
Crack the chunk, cypher jump. Leave it chalk fan. Definition getting in the money.
Official score 10-9 in favor of LCBA. Football rep. Number 18. Ano yan? 23. Sorry. Remaining 4 minutes and 35 sa ating first quarter. 14 to shoot. Irene Dogo. Rebound para kay Calibo. Third rebound of the ball game. Choco. Basket Jude. Basket Argesa. Dogo. Rebound para kay Herrera. Good rebound of the ball game. On the pass. Turnover para sa team ng LCBA. Calibo. Pascal Aguirre. Terranes. Baleros. 14 seconds to shoot. Panahin. Back to Cabanas. Herrera. Boche. Herrera. Herrera with 10 points. Good team para Cabanas. Cabanas. Good rebound. Rebound for you. Argesa. Pascal Aguirre. Aguirre Tumeges. Paso de Bones. Cross by Calibo. Double. Kickball violation. 14 seconds to shoot para sa team ng State Video. Aguirre. Double. Rebound by Jonas. Time remaining 2 minutes and 35. Now the first quarter. Cabanas. 14 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Irene. Seconds to shoot. Terranes baru. Rebound para kay Terranes. Second rebound to Bobby. Of the Caballeros. 2 minutes. 14 to shoot. Official score 16-11. It is very well of LCBA. 14 to shoot. Shorty, basket blue. Little green. Official score 16-14. 14 to shoot. Good deep para Choco. Calibo. Scoop shot. Calibo. Official score 16. 55 seconds. Another steal para Calibo. Choco, paso Aguirre. Aguirre. "35 seconds remaining. 14 to shoot. Pagkakago. Rebound para kay Largesa. 20 seconds. alert. Ball by number 2, Herrera. First personal foul, Warner for penalty. All players, diretso muna tayo. Saglit lang, all players. Wait lang, hadal muna sa red. Hadal muna. Foul by number 2, Herrera. First personal foul, warning for penalty. 17 seconds remaining. Start the first quarter. 14 seconds to shoot. Time to shoot. 10 seconds remaining. 3 seconds. Official score 18-16 in favor of State Deville.
Back between gimmicks and clutch. How come I hold a microphone, double grip such? CEOs make rounds, never find skill found. On a sleep down, lockdown, wild thoughts rebound. Ever since the speed down, on my shoulder,
Back to the ball game.
Okay na.
Start of the second quarter. Llanes, pass to Herrera. Dribble para Braga. Take the shoot. Trouble violation. Sabalia. Turnover foul the team. Working the shoe, Tamaras. Double. Rebound para nagkaman, Braga. Double. Cordoba secures the board. Turnover para sa Taos. Save the mill. Llanes. Guarded by Sabalia. Llanes double. Rebound para ni Cordoba. Chubby. Alquiler. Official score 20-16. 14 to shoot. Herrera to Braga. 10 seconds to shoot. Three seconds to shoot. Stolen by Sabalia. Sabalia dengan ikut. No good. Kamaras secures the board. Rebound the ball game. Kamaras rebound. Jump ball tayo. Safety nil po tayo. Safety nil. Sabana. 14 to shoot. Was one foul by number 9, Kokoba. First personal foul, first team foul, on the team of safety nil. Tatlong 14 to shoot. Then to shoot. Block. 5 seconds to shoot. Shotty. Dari Baranganas. Kapitán bola. Braga. Official score, all 20. Back to the ball game. Basketball goal. 14 seconds to shoot. Lugano. Pagpapa. Bagus. Tapikan bola. Sakulan ni Shotty. Los ball para number 10. Tatlong Hari. First personal foul. First team foul para sa team ng LCBA. 14 seconds to shoot. Lugano. Basketball goal. Bagus. Rebound para kay Ballerini. Yes. Basketball from Hari. Ballerini. 14 to shoot. Foul by number 8, Algira. First personal foul, 13 foul para sa team ng safety nil. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Ballerini. Garbal Algesa. 8 seconds to shoot. Foul by number 11, Sabalia. First personal foul, warning for penalty. 14 seconds to shoot. Yanas. 10 seconds to shoot. Ballerini. 5 to shoot. Ballerini. Sabalia. Basket ng Pesta. Tatlong Hari secures the board. Time remaining 12 minutes and 45. Starting second quarter. Yanas. Lupi mga kasabalya. Sabay celebration. Sabalia. Pasok Cordova. Back to Sabalia. Ganda ng ilon. Lugano. Bobo. Gargesa secures the board. 10 seconds to shoot. Black ball by number 23, Kaden. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Para sa team ng LCBA. 14 seconds to shoot. Sabalia. Then to shoot. Rebound by Tatlomari. To the drop. By official score 24-20. Cordova. Bobo. Rebound by Tatlomari. Rebound by Pivote. Yanes. Kembali. Cekal balik. Subdivision up. Seconds to shoot. And to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 to shoot. Rebound para Lugano. Sabalia. Go. Tapi ke tengah. Rebound para Liberty. Subdivision. Baleros. Official score 27-20 in favor of LCBA. Rebound para kay Herrera. Jonas Pastorianes. Official score 30-20 in favor of LCBA. Time remaining 2 minutes, starting second quarter. Gargesa. Pass to Herrera. Pamplona. Luego de Barbara Luciano. Ito, Largesa. Back to Samaria. Second violation. Time remaining 1 minute and 15. Starting second quarter. Rebound para kay Largesa. Giannis. Pass to Baleros. 13 to shoot. Katamang Napala! 40 seconds remaining. Starting second quarter. Largesa. Pass to Jaho. Lulu. Herrera. 9 rebound to the ball game. Giannis. Lulu. Rebound by Shorty. Foul by number 15. Official score 32-26. Roman beating the LCBA. Back to the ball game. Fifteen seconds remaining. Ten seconds. Baleros to Giannis. 5 seconds. 3. And of the second quarter, official scores 32-29 in favor of LCBA.
Stack my salary, son, and lost some thousands, don't ever let you resign. The sun is under my feet, walking peaceful with me. My elevation with me. I'm feeling marching with speed. Another city in reach. Persistence on the beach, demolition on the street. Partition lines at your teeth, mention how far I see. Keep the streets free. Empty battery and I'm charged. You clowning. That's a tragedy. For sure. Got me running with
LCBA, vote po tayo, LCBA. Start of the third quarter. Herrera 3. Official score led by 29. 14 to shoot. Talibo. Good. Patingan mo lang ang awal Choco. Talibo. Herrera. Pasok ang bola. 14 to shoot. Valeros. 10 to shoot. Valeros. Rebound para Mexico. Larguesa. Pass to Jordi. Back to Larguesa. You. Official score 35-34. Down to 1 point lead. Dallas LCBA. 14 to shoot. Rebound para Argentina. And the round team of Sinfield. Carrillo for the lead. Double. Rebound para Camaras. Out the pass. Herrera. Official score all 37. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rebound for Herrera. 6 rebound the ball game. Out the pass. Camaras to the board. One foul by number 29, Larguesa. Second personal foul, first team foul para sa team ng St. Benil.
Maliglag ka.
Valeros 3. Official score 14-37. Larguesa. Turnover para sa St. Benil. Pass to Valeros. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Foul para number 10, Nido. First personal foul, second team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Holding foul para number 10, Nido. Second personal foul, third team foul para sa team ng St. Benil. 14 seconds to shoot. And the shoot. Then seconds to shoot. Back to 5-point lead, 42-37. Para sa team ng LCBA. 14 to shoot. Aguirre. 10 seconds to shoot. All players stopping to line ng ayos. Marquesa, past the blue. Official score, 45. That's the shoot. The ball para the shorty. Is foul ulit? Pushing foul by number 8, Valeros. First personal foul, first team foul para sa team ng LCBA. 2 shots para kay number 8, Alquire. Para kay Alquire. Official score 47-45. Lamang na ang team ng St. Reviews. Transfer to Valero. Taking the shoot. Lagi para Alquire. Shorty. Katakinoto. Turnover para sa team ng St. Reviews. Dudu, rebound para kay Rojas. 5 remaining 3 minutes and 25. Troubling violation. Kevin, pass to Valeros. 14 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Cabarra. Cabarras with 8 points. Official score 47. Rebound para kay Braga. Kevin, back to Cabarras. Braga. Gabon. Taking ang bola. Kakuha ni Sabalia. Bradigo.
Malaglag ka.
Official score 49-47. 14 to shoot. And to shoot. Rebound by Rojas. Official score 51-47 in favor of St. Reviews. Paalala ng ulit, bawal po tayo mag-vape at manigarilyo sa loob po ng vicinity ni SBI. Maraming salamat po. Back to the ball game! 5 remaining, 1 minute and 58 sa ating third quarter. Barini, back to Braga. Stand to shoot! Passo sa bola. 14 to shoot! You. Was ball right? Foul by number 6, Braga. First personal foul, second team foul. Para sa team ng LCBA. 2 shots para kay number 18, View. Two out of 2 para kay View. Official score, 53-47. Safety note. Kadan. Gonna start to Jonas. Silver. 13 seconds to shoot. Take the shoot. Baby. 51 seconds remaining. Sounding third quarter. Seconds remaining. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Bakit na bola na Wolverine? 30 seconds remaining. Kaya Wolverine. Barili. 20 seconds remaining. Wala na buka ni shot clock. 15 seconds. Dibahan ke bola 10 seconds. 5, 3 seconds. And of the third quarter, official score 53-51 in favor of Safety News. News ball po tayo. Last and final quarter. Salvo. Back to la testa. Foul para number 9, Barini. First personal foul, first team foul para sa team ng LCBA. 2 shots para kay number 16, Terrones. Pastor Vianes, Carrera, Barini, balik lagi ke belakang. Barini, foul para number 16, Carrones. First personal foul, first team foul para sa St. Bill. 2 shots para kay number 23, Kevin. One out of two para Kevin. Official score 54-52. Gambaran ng team ng St. Emil. Going to shoot. Save ball. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Is ball ripped? All players, finish na tayo sa wait lang kasi. Sportsmanlike foul para kay Berlagan sa baga. Sabay ako yung 3 minutes pumaras, sir. Sa pumaras, sir. Six minutes, sir, mga kapasok. 2 shots para sa team ng LCBA. One out of two. Official score 54-53. Lamang bayan ng St. Emil. Yanis. With the para shot. Zero para Terrones. 50 out of the ball game. Kalibo, pass to Shotty. No rule. Stopping ang bola ng Yanes. Barini. Herrera. No rule. Ubang para Alatesa. Number 15, Yanis. Second deep ball para sa team ng LCBA. Two shots para kay number 29, Gargesa. Subdivision ball. Official score 55-53. Lamang bayan ng St. Emil. Kevin, Pastor Jonas. Barini, 14 to shoot. Pasok rin. Kaya Bacon. Kalipo. Pasok Alviro. Yutu Mega. Jojo Demang Barai Barai. Barai tolak kelas. Official score, goal 55. 14 to shoot. Rebound para Baleros. Herrera. Official score 58-55. Kababayan ng team ng LCGA. Calvillo. Contrapasa. Putih balik pas. Offensive foul by number 18, Cabarras. First personal foul. Calvito. Larga Baleros. Vargas. Perrone. Baleros. Third trip of the ball game, Baleros. 6 minutes remaining inside the last and final quarter. 14 to shoot. Thiago. Blocking foul para number 18. New first personal foul, second team foul. Foul para number 14, Yubiado. First personal foul, third team foul para sa St. Benil. 14 seconds to shoot. Cabarras. Time to shoot. Rebound para kay Calvito. Choco. Pass to Shorty. Again. Was fouled up. Number 2, Herrera. Second personal foul, third team foul para sa LCA. 2 shots para kay number 8, Alquira. 2-2 para kay Alvira. Official score, all 61. Back to Safaya. 14 to shoot. The piano. White man. No good. Rebound para kay Braga. One pass. Ganda sa pass. Foul number 6, Braga. Second personal foul. Calibo. Rebound para kay Braga. Foul para kay number 7, Calibo. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Two shots para kay number 23, Kedem. One out of two para kay Kedem. Official score 63-62 in favor of Sigdiel. Foul para kay number 8, Baleros. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Both teams warning for penalty na po. And to shoot. It's foul para kay number 11, Valerie. Penalty na. Valerie, second personal foul. Two shots para kay number 8, Alquile. One out of two para kay Alquile. Official score 64-62. Herrera. Official score 65-64. LCPA. 14 to shoot. Official score 68-67. 14 to shoot. And to shoot. 5 to shoot. number ano po? Number 8. Valeros. Substitution. Official score 69-68. Laban team ng Sinfield. The shoes. Official score 71-68. Seconds to shoot. Seconds to shoot. Remaining 1 minute and 14. Savage last and final quarter. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Official score 71-70. Rebound Sinfield. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Official score 74-70. 51 seconds remaining. Was following number 16. Perona's second personal foul. 2 shots para kay number 11, Barrino. Foul para number 11, Valerie. Third personal foul, penalty direct. Two shots by number 8, Algira. Fourth personal foul, penalty direct. Two shots para kay number 7, Calvillo.
Sa pikin naman na ginawa niya. Hindi niya lang ma-push. Hindi niya lang ma-push.
Two para Calvillo. Official score 77-70. Foul para number 29, Nagasa. Third penalty direct. Two shots para kay number 2, Herrera. Two para kay Herrera. Seconds to shoot. Set to shoot. Foul para number 29 today. Fourth personal foul, penalty direct. Two shots para kay number 8, Algira. One or two para kay Algira. Official score 78-72. Congratulations, Paul, and thank you so much, Paul. Team ng LCBA, maraming salamat po mga sir. Thank you so much, Team LCBA. Maraming salamat po ulit. And syempre, congratulations, Team Safety